Hey guys, today we're making a pizza in a mug on Instagram. Okay, so this is how we make it.
Okay.
Okay, then we flatten the bread out.
Flatten the bread out.
Flatten the bread out.
Yes.
Then we shove it in.
Yes.
Okay. Make sure you get to.
So this is the crust.
Yeah.
We already made one, obviously, but we thought we'd make a video
Yeah.
because it was so good.
I just wanted to show you how we made it.
Okay. Can you open the sauce by yourself?
Yeah, I know.
Yep. Get a spoon.
Hey.
Put the sauce on it. We need a little more.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Now what else? Beautiful. Next. The cheese on. Okay. And now what do we do?
Cook it for 130 seconds.
Okay, so in real terms, that is cook it for 1 minute. Okay, go ahead. We'll come back when it's done.
And we'll come back when it's done.
Woo! Yeah, that smells good. Okay. Now we take it, kind of go around the edge. Yeah. Oh,
Do not try this at home.
what is your cooking show called?
Anthony Cooking with Mama.
Cooking with Anthony, it's called.
Yeah, Cooking with Anthony.
Okay, now try getting it out. Oh man, that looks so good. Okay, try a bite for us.
No, I only tried the bite. You should try, Mama.
Well, that's okay, just do it for the camera. Is it really hot? Okay.
Okay, guys, it's done now. Let's try a bite.
Okay.
Yeah, nice.
You don't, just pick it up by the fork and take a bite. Yes.
Ow!
Stab it.
Okay, I think we need the crucible.
No, it's not. It's fine. Is that so good? Woo! So that wraps it up for another successful episode of Cooking with Anthony.
Yeah.
See you guys
Bye.
and subscribe to my channel.